So there's a common mistake that people make when starting Ayah 3. I'm going to see if you can help me identify what that mistake is. I'm going to say it. I'm going to say the mistake that people usually make, and I want you to identify what that mistake is. Y'all ready? All right, so Bismillah. People normally will say, Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim. Where's the mistake? The ra is too heavy. No, not exactly. Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim. Where's the mistake? Say that again. Which part? In the beginning of the ayah? That's correct. Yes. Alhamdulillah. And by the way, guys, it's perfectly okay to not know something, because in order to get to the point of knowing, you got to start somewhere, right? And that starting point is not knowing. And the scholars, they have a saying. They have a saying where they say, in Arabic, they say, Nisful ilmi. Who knows the rest of that? Nisful ilmi, half of knowledge is la a'lam, or la adri. That half of knowledge is saying, I don't know. This is a half of knowledge. So from now on, don't be afraid to say, I don't know. Perfectly fine, right? So the mistake, as he said, I said the too heavy. So it shouldn't be Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim. Why? Because the alif is not heavy. When Hamza to Wasl has when it has fatha, which we don't see, but the sound is there, it should be So saying Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim is wrong. We don't want to say Ar-Rahman, we want to say what? Good job. Ar-Ra. Ar-Ra. Say Ar-Ra. Ar-Ra. Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim. Right, so you said, I heard you saying Ar-Rahman Ar-Ra. I want you to say Ar-Rahman Ar-Ra. Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim. Right, Alhamdulillah. So, quickly, let's get a few people to just quickly say that one, because like I said, we're not going to spend too much time because we know that, but I want you to say Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim, all right? Wait a minute, your name was, wait, don't tell me, What? Say it again, sorry, I forgot. Hania, right? Hania, yeah. Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim. Good job, good effort, but this is what I want you to do, don't pause, don't say Ar-Rahman, like pausing like that. I want you to say straight through, say like this. Listen to me closely and try to say what I say. Say, Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim. In one breath. Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim. Alhamdulillah, that's excellent. MashaAllah, good job. All right. Bismillah. You want to go? Do I scare you? Oh man, that's messed up. I think I scared. Oh, he's running from me. Oh. This guy. What's your name? Muhammad. Allahu Akbar. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammad. Go ahead. Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim. Good job. All right, now let's do something. Don't say Ar-Rah. I want you to say Ar-Rah. 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 Say Rah. Rah. It's a little better. It's lighter. Say Ar-Rah. Say Ha. Ha. Say Now say Rah. Rah. Ar-Rahman. It's better. It's lighter, mashallah. Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim. Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim. Much better, mashallah. Good job, Muhammad. Guess what my son's name is? How'd you know that? Whoa. Mashallah. Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim. Excellent job, mashallah. You want to do it? You want to do it? He said no. MashaAllah. Next ayah is on you. What's your name? Ismail. MashaAllah. All right. 1, 2, 3 from the top to 3. 1, 2, 3. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Ar-Rahmanir-Rahim. Barakallahu feekum wa jazakumullahu khairan.